Okay, super quick unboxing video. It's Philip Fast and Easy Computers. We've got an Antec NX260. Okay, it's a triple fan, top mesh, USB 3 connector, two USBs, microphone, headphone, LED control button, power on button. Okay, it's got tempered glass sides, this one. We've undone these and we've got one left to take. So just have to make sure it don't fall off when you do this. So just hold that a second, so limit that. Because tempered glass does break. Okay. Oh. So this is an interesting unboxing because we can't actually get these. There you go, bit of pressure there. Okay, so that'll be interesting for the viewers, so you know it does actually come off. It was basically got a vacuum holding it on. Anyway, this is inside the case. It's got a back panel on it and there's some screws there. We'll look at that in a second. There's three Antec fans there. You've got a compartment for your power supply down there, and that goes in the back. Those there are the LED control and fan controllers. So this actually, those there are for going into your motherboard to control the power on and the LED and the hard drive light. And the rear, again we've loosened these. These come right out, so don't lose them. Wobbly, but it's an inexpensive case, this one. So you have your connectors for your fans there. These are your metal plates for the rear here. Once you knock these out, these are fixed, and those then can screw in and out if you add and remove things in future. It's quite light, but it feels quite solid. Nice case. You get your purchase receipt and you get a little manual which is just tells you how to put it all together and pull it to bits and add extra fans, and you can put SSDs in, they go there on the back, although virtually everything's on motherboards now with NVMe drives. That there is your block for controlling your ports on the top. So now we have made mistakes in the past, and you've got to be careful you don't damage these.